guys, and welcome to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make my guacamole. So let me go over the list of ingredients. You're going to need some avocados that I've halved and pitted. They're in this bowl right here. You're going to need some jalapeno, some cilantro, a lime, some red onions, some tomatoes, some salt, and some pepper. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your your avocado, and you're going to just take the skin and separate it from your avocado. And then what I do is I take the back of my fork, and I'll show you. Oops. I take the back of my fork and I mash up my avocado before I add any of the other ingredients. That way I don't mush up all the tomatoes or the onions, because I don't want those to be mushed up. I just want the avocado to be nice and smooth. And then you're gonna mash up the avocado to your desired consistency. So I like it semi-smooth. I don't like it too chunky, so I'm gonna try to do it as smooth as possible. But if you like a chunky guacamole, I wouldn't mash it up as much as I'm doing right now. And I find that it's the best to do it with a fork. If you guys have any other suggestions, definitely let me know. All right, so this looks pretty good for me. So what I'm gonna do now is, this really couldn't be any easier. You're just gonna dump everything in here. So you're gonna add your jalapeno, which I'm not gonna touch with my hand because I'm infamous for touching my eye after. Your red onion, of course your tomato, and then I'm gonna just mash this a little bit, like stir it, and then I'll add in my lime juice. I just kind of want this to be nice and incorporated. Oh, look at the lovely colors. Oh, so beautiful. And this is nice and fresh too, which is nice. So I'm gonna do a generous pinch of salt. I would say probably like half a teaspoon or so. And then, your black pepper. And then you're gonna do the juice of the lime. So, there we go. And then the other half. These limes are making fools of me because I can't get the juices out. All right, so that's good. Now you're just gonna mash everything together, get it nice and incorporated. There we go. So ideally you'd want this to be in the fridge for about 30 minutes to chill before you serve it. But I just want to give this a try before I put it in there. Some chips. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Make sure you head over to www.thelazygirlskitchen to get this recipe and a lot others. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.